Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to send an email using your LoadRunner script. Now get into the topic, so let's go into the scripting part. So to create this kind of script, so we need to select the new script after opening the VUGen. After opening VUGen, select new script and solution. From that, select SMTP protocol. SMTP, so simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so click on create. After creating the click, so go to choose these functions, these three functions, which will help you to send email using SMTP protocol. Okay, so the first function is SMTP logon, and second is SMTP send email, and third is SMTP logon. So as per your requirement, we can keep this logon in init and log out in user end. Okay, and we can use SMTP to send multiple messages, multiple emails to the server. Now we will come to the each and every function individually. SMTP logon will have multiple parameters to log into. Generally, this will help us to connect to that email engine or log in into the email engine and send the authenticate your user ID and password. So this is a step name. First argument is the step name. Second argument is the SMTP URL for the email engine what you're using. In the current example, I'm using Yahoo. So I'm using the SMTP Yahoo URL. And there's a common name, just a name, giving it as a name. And there's a username and there's a password and start TLS. So the port what I'm using 4587 will support TLS. So for that, I'm using the start TLS. If the port you're using will not support, then just don't use that start TLS or disable that. Comment it down. So if this will allow you to authenticate into that server, then the second method, second function, SMTP send mail, will allow you to send email using the email engine what you configured in logon. Okay, so there's a test email via what I'm using to send email. There's a from, I'm setting the from address as my email, and the test as a subject, and char set as ISO 88594. This is the content type, text by plain. So I'm sending text by plain. So if you send the text by HTML, then that will, it won't show the raw message. Now I am putting the raw message to be shown in the email inbox. Okay, and this is the actual mail data what I am sending. So I'm sending that this is a simple email from LR. Okay, and the last function what we use is for logout from that email engine. So that depends on how you design, whether you want the log on and init and log out on and user end. So as per your requirement, we can configure that and we can send it. So now if you want to see the more of any of these functions and examples of this function, just select this and do Fn in your Windows keyboard or help from your Mac. So F1, so this will help you. This will give you the more information: BCC, subject, from, content type, what content types you can add, and what are the mailing options you have, and what are the mail data you can send off, and how to attach a email attachments to your email. So those are the functions. Those are the options you can go through to as per your requirement. Uh, so these are the basic thing why I'm using currently just to send a simple message. Okay, now let's run the script and see. Uh, Before going that, so this is a Bellinator inbox which we don't have currently, no messages. And once this is executed, yeah, once that is executed, if you now we have not clicked anything, yes, we got the message. So that's it. So this is how we need to use to send a message without any Java user protocol or Java code in your script. So the simple way to send your messages, all the thing you know to know is a to address and some address and password, user data, server SMTP server details. Thanks for listening, friends.